Embarking on a weight loss journey requires a well-structured diet and exercise plan. A full-day diet plan can optimize your dietary choices, while integrating exercise will amplify your results. Start your day with a nutritious breakfast. Opt for oatmeal topped with berries and a sprinkle of nuts. This combination provides a hearty dose of fiber, essential vitamins, and antioxidants to kickstart your metabolism and keep you satiated until lunch. As the morning progresses, hydrate yourself. Aim for at least 2 glasses of water before noon. This simple habit not only boosts hydration, but also supports weight loss by making you feel fuller. For your mid-morning snack, consider a small apple or a handful of baby carrots. These low-calorie options are rich in vitamins and provide the energy you need without derailing your diet. When lunchtime arrives, prioritize lean protein and vegetables. Grilled chicken or chickpea salad with vibrant greens, cherry tomatoes, and a light vinaigrette makes for a very satisfying meal. Proteins help in building muscle, while vegetables are low in calories, yet high in nutrients. This balance will keep your hunger at bay and fuel your afternoon exercise. Speaking of which, aim for a mix of cardio and strength training during your workout. A brisk walk, cycling, or a strength building class can enhance your weight loss efforts effectively. As the afternoon rolls in, nurture your body with a small protein-rich snack. Greek yogurt sprinkled with cinnamon or a few almonds are excellent choices to keep those energy levels stable. Before dinner, engage in a 30-minute workout session. This could range from jogging to a dance class or yoga. Regular exercise is an essential component in the battle against excess weight, and it helps in forming a healthy habit. Concluding your day, dinner should again be light but fulfilling. Grilled fish or tofu served with steamed broccoli and quinoa is not only flavorful, but also packs a nutritious punch. As you enjoy your meal, take the time to reflect on your day's choices. For those late-night cravings, opt for a cup of herbal tea instead of snacks. This mindful approach not only aids digestion, but also cultivates habits for your future efforts. Consistency is key to achieving lasting results.